Yambo,
Good afternoon, sir.
Sawa.
Just like that, I want to make a very little request from you, just to make inquiry. Sir, you can speak in English?
Yeah, but I'm in a hurry, man.
You can imagine. I just want to know what is the technology behind these people flying with the parachutes upstairs there. I don't see the plane, but I see them coming down. What is the technology behind it?
Where do you see them?
They are flying with parachutes, they come down. So I wonder what is the technology behind it.
Yeah, no, that must be some other plane. They must have dropped off the plane. There must be a plane somewhere.
Ah, they come with a plane, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
And if it's there, they come with the sea, with the boat.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Sawa, rafiki wangu. Bullshitter. Hey, you check that, dude. So like, where's the plane at? They come with the plane. You see them fly? Can you see them fly? All right. That was something else. They always smoke. They smoke so much. All of them, man. So crazy. Italians, I heard more Italians today. Nice beach, huh? This is called Zanzibar. Kendwa Beach. Let's see. Kuweka. Talk to you later. See you later. Kendwa Beach Market. Had a driver's wedding, but I want to see this. Let's see. I just want to see what it's like. He can wait. We got until 5:30, 6:30. I'm doing 5. Gold Zanzibar. There's much to see. Bum 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 bum. You can have some lunch here with your beloved girlfriend. I think we were at the island there back. Sure. And here you can see all the boats that do the sea tours. Wow, this is a stretch as well. Zanzibar. Look at those cars, huh? Yeah, that's fun. This one.
darajani kule. Mambo mengi nakwambia vile.